All right, here is a whole month worth of social media posts that I scheduled via Claude, via a Claude skill. I'm going to go over that skill, give you the exact prompt to use to create that skill today. And as a bonus, I'm going to give you a way to connect this also with your website and create amazing bottom of the funnel, high search intent content to leverage with your social media. I'm going to give you all the tools, the entire workflow. This is amazing. It works amazingly well. It's 100% automated. Let's dive in. So here's a website that we have on this strategy. And you can see this is before we started the strategy, not very much traffic at all, no AI citations. Then we started it on this strategy and look at how the growth has happened here. So almost 16,000 organic growth, lots more AI citations. So they're getting a lot more traffic, and this is the plan to do just that. So the programs that we're going to use are going to be Claude, of course, with a prompt, and then we're going to connect via APIs to Blotado and Arvow. So I'm going to go through all of this stuff. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to set up Claude with the prompt. So here is the prompt. If you want this, type prompt below, and it'll give you access to all these prompts from Arvow, which there's a lot of them. All these are amazing prompts for SEO and automation. The one we're doing is this one right here. So basically what it's going to do is ask you for your business context. So literally just copy and paste this prompt into Claude and then go through the steps. So it's a very, very easy because everything's set up. So it's going to ask you for all of your website URL, industry, niche, all that stuff. It's going to do a competitive opportunity research. So it's going to research your competition, find gaps, find weak competitor gaps, keyword clusters, ranking opportunities. So this does all the heavy lifting from an SEO standpoint for you. Then it's going to generate your blog content. So this is going to make sense from a social media standpoint in just a second. So it's going to generate all your blog content, primary keywords, supporting keywords. Then it's going to give you your content pipeline. So we are using Arvow via the API to create this content. So it's going to auto publish through Arvow. So we're using Claude's brain mixed with Arvow's brain and all of your brand assets to create the content. And then basically once you have the content created, this is the first part of this. This is why this works so good. So this is creating your content, your blog articles, and your RSS feed. Even if you already have an RSS feed, that's where all your blog stuff goes. Then it's pulling your RSS feed to create your social media content. So you're optimizing it first with Arvow and Claude. So you're having high SEO rich content first, and then you're repurposing it into social media content. So it's double, it's a double whammy. So then it's going to create your social media content from your RSS feed. So it's going to be relevant. It's going to connect, and then basically it can create the visual elements for your social media, or you can have it pull the visual elements from your blogs, and then it's going to publish it via Blotato. So that's where Blotato comes into play. You can also have Blotato create the graphics for you. So the workflow is seamless like this. So basically it's you're using Claude to create your blog RSS feed. So it's going to be very SEO rich. Then basically you're extracting that information with Claude to create your social media posts. And your social media posts are going to connect back to your blog, back to your money pages on your website. And you don't have to, if you don't want to do the blog part, you don't have to. You can run this workflow as it is just on the social media. Like if you just want to do the social media stuff, you can do this right here and set that up and basically give it Blotato's API key. But let's just go through what this looks like once it's run. So once you run this, or once you set this up as a skill, so a skill is something that you can just run over and over and over again. So once you have this set up, all you do is you just type in SEO content, whatever you name it. So I named it SEO content autopilot. So this is the full skill here, which it's going to just run this full prompt, all this stuff. So you can save this as a skill and then just run it every time. Again, all I did to start it was copy and paste and tell it to create the skill. Then it's going to ask you for your API keys, and then the rest is going to be done on autopilot. So very easy to do. And then once it creates, so with Arvow, what you have to do, there's a link below to Arvow and Blotado. What you have to do is create integration and then you just do this API and give it the API key right here. So it's going to send it automatically. There is more of an expense to use Arvow's API. If you want to do it manually, you can do it manually. If you want to get a lower plan, it's going to still generate those keyword opportunities, those keyword clusters. So you can go in here and basically just manually do it. You can enter your SEO keyword and your title, hit add keywords, and then it'll go over here as an input. And then you can just generate the article and then it'll generate it for you. Here's an example of some articles that it generated. So here's one for like Florida market housing statistics. You can see it adds the images. This is all designed for AI overviews, traffic, all the things. So you can open this up and kind of see the inner workings of it, all the SEO bells and whistles. So this is why this is beneficial using Arvow, because it's going to integrate all the SEO that you're not going to have to do. Sure, you can have Claude create blog articles, but it's not going to have all the behind the scenes SEO. You're going to have to do it manually. So alt text, H2s, H3s, it's going to link to external sources. It's going to link to your sitemap, because the other nice thing about this, like I was saying, is you can go in here and you can customize this to your brand. So you can give it your knowledge base, your website, any training materials. You can format it, you can structure it, give it a call to action. You can do internal linking. So give it your sitemap. So it's going to link to all your pages, everything's going to link together. So it's using your own assets to create the blog articles. So it's taking all the manual work out of it. It'll create images for you. You can use your own. It'll do a YouTube video, relevant YouTube video, or you can do your own. So whatever you want to do there. And then you can have it configured. You can publish this automatically. So if you want to use Arvow's API, it'll send it here, create the article, and then auto-publish it to your website. If you want to do it manually, you create it here, and then you can have it auto-published to your website. However you want to do it, whatever works for you and your budget, but there's two ways to do it. And Arvow has a bunch of other resources in here. They have a way for you to get backlinks automatically. There's a backlink exchange, brand monitors, SEO reports, brand monitors monitor LLM performance, so you can monitor your prompts, search terms that people are searching for, and monitor how you're showing up. So there's a lot of really cool resources here. Now, the next part of this is basically once you're using this to create your RSS feed that's very SEO friendly, that's on brand, you're using Claude to create your social media posts from your RSS feed. And then it's going to send it to Blotato. So here is a whole month. This is all created with Claude. That prompt that I just showed you, all this was created with that. And it's auto-publishing it. So you can set up time slots here. You can set up your weekly schedule, or you can just have it published whenever. That's totally up to you. And the nice thing is you can have Blotato create the infographics. So there's a bunch of templates that you can use and just tell it, because it's going to read the API documentation that you're going to give it via that prompt. And then you just tell it, I want you to create whiteboard infographics, or I want you to create whatever these infographics, they all have a name, so it'll know. You just tell it like, okay, two of the weekly posts I want whiteboard infographics, 3 of the weekly posts I want top secret infographics, the other 2 posts I want classroom chalkboard infographics. So it'll send it over here. It'll analyze the concepts in your blog and then create the infographics. It's really, really crazy. It works amazingly well. So here's an example of some infographics that were created. This is for one of my clients. It's basically taking the concepts and just creating infographics. So this is a quote from the articles, more infographics. So this is all done automatically via that prompt, which is really, really nuts. And then you just run it whenever you want to run it, and then schedule it whenever you want to schedule it. So to get Blotato's API, you just go over here, API, and you just copy the API key, and then you pop that into Claude. So those are the components to connect everything together and completely automate your social media with Blotato, Claude, and Arvow. This is the full package. This is only 3 that you need to substantially improve your traffic that you're getting, substantially improve your social media engagement, and just automate everything. Everything is going to connect together. If you have a website and you do social media, it makes sense to connect all 3 of these together. And then when you want to run it, again, you just go into Claude and you run it. And then basically the way that I do this is do this weekly. So every Monday, I'll run this workflow, schedule everything out, automatically, all my blog posts, all my social media posts for the week, and then I just run it the next week. You could do it for a month if you want to do it that way. It'll do it for you as many times as you want. So it's really, really cool. So you can set this up for yourself, for your clients, whatever workflow that you want. So if you want these prompts, type prompt below and you'll get access to all these prompts. Again, there's links to both Arvow and Blotado. This is the trifecta. This workflow works amazingly well. I've been doing this for the last couple of months actually, and it works amazingly well, and people are still sleeping on this. So hopefully it helps you guys out. I'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you. Check out this other video on SEO and Claude. It'll help you out as well.